Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Priceline affiliate marketing assets for US travelers, full guide step by step clearly. To download Priceline affiliate marketing assets, start by visiting the Priceline affiliate program website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Marketing Assets or Promotional Tools. Click on that section to access You will find categories for banners, text links, and special promotions. Select the category that suits your marketing needs. For example, if you need banners, click on the Banners category. Browse through the selection of banner ads. Choose the sizes and styles that align with your website or social media. Click on the desired banner to open its details. Here, you will see options to preview the asset. Once you're satisfied with your selection, find the download link. Click the download button to save the asset to your device. Repeat this process for any other types of assets you need. Keep your branding and marketing strategy in mind while selecting assets. Always check for any usage guidelines provided by Priceline. Make sure to keep track of the downloaded files in a dedicated folder for easy access. Now you're ready to integrate these assets into your marketing efforts. Utilize them effectively to promote Priceline services to potential travelers. This can help drive traffic and increase your earnings through the affiliate program. Stay updated with any new assets and promotions offered by Priceline. Regularly log into your affiliate account to maximize your marketing potential. By following these steps, you'll have the necessary assets to successfully promote Priceline to US travelers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.